So finally we are leaving for the airport, just putting everything in the car and oh god, it's like oh god shit. Like मुझे पता था I have to go, but now that I'm actually going, it's and just look at the day today. It's so nice and hot. Like जिस दिन मैं निकल रही हूँ उस दिन गर्मी है वरना मैं पूरा टाइम यहाँ पे थी. It was like around 4 degree 5 degrees and so cold. और आज जब मुझे जाना है it's so warm and such a nice weather. So let's quickly just put everything in the car and let's head towards the airport. Hello guys, so I'm trying to fill out the forms which I have to fill before I go back, and it's just a torture. I do not like it while coming and I do not like it while going back. It is a lot. It's very difficult to travel in these situations. Stay safe, stay home. So we are trying to pack my suitcases and obviously it's going overweight and she's very happy about it, Komal, right? Actually, she is packing my suitcase because मुझे pack करना नहीं आता है. And I think this is the 10th time she is trying to rearrange things. And she is very happy. Look at her face. How happy she is. I am irritated and fed up. Who told you to shop this much? Who told you, Komal? What was the point of shopping this much if you couldn't put it in your bags?
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to take all your shopping out now. All the new stuff that you point. This one suitcase is 26 kgs and this one is 25 kgs. So she's about 3 to 4 kgs over. And even her hand luggage is full, which she was trying to keep empty. Torture!
So my baby, where are you going?
My baby, where you going?
No, I'm asking you, where are you going in the car?
Upstairs. Where you going in the car?
Where are you going in the car?
Just doing the plane. Must you put the selfies?
Are you going to leave Masi in the aeroplane?
Mama, must you put the selfies?
To leave Masi at the aeroplane?
I'm gonna run Masi out of the airplane.
You're going to take Masi out of the aeroplane?
Yes,
Why?
because we have to save Masi.
You have to save Masi from what?
The airplane.
From aeroplane, but Masi has to go back to India.
No, you cannot.
I cannot go back.
Masi, just play in the park with you.
I should just play in the park with you.
Yes.
But my mummy and daddy and everybody is waiting for me in India.
No, everyone. Just to start to. No, everyone.
Don't wait for Masi.
Masi put the selfie.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Okay.
Will you miss Masi?
Yes.
Yes, how much will you miss Masi?
No, just play in the park.
You just miss Masi to play in the park?
Masi, this is the park.
Okay. Say bye Masi, I'll miss you.
Bye, Masi. I miss you.
Are you sad? Are you sad Masi is going back?
No, I'm pouting.
You're pouting. How do you pout? Hey guys, so we finally reached the airport and it's time to say goodbye. It was just like कि यही एयरपोर्ट पे अभी लाइक ऐसा लगा था अभी तो मैं आई थी और अभी मुझे जीजू लेने आए थे. and like 1 month just flew by.
5 weeks.
5 weeks, more than a month actually.
Little bit more than a month.
Little bit more than a month.
But it's never enough, is it? 5 weeks, 10 weeks.
Yeah. Okay, so bye bye.
Bye.
See
Go
you.
then. See you.
Bye.
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 Go. Go, Neha, go back.
Neha, go back.
Yep.
I'm going back. Bye bye. And this cute baby is sleeping.
He's awake now, kind of. He's trying to wake up. Where do you want to go, Kyan?
The Muffy.
Where's Masi going?
I want the Muffy.
You want to go to Masi?
Yes.
Where's Masi going?
I want the Muffy.
Oh.
मेरा चेक इन और सब हो गया है ना. आई एम फाइनली हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द गेट विच इज़ B32 एंड इट सेज अराउंड 13 मिनट्स वॉक फ्रॉम हियर. और मैं ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट 10 मिनट से चल रही हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग एयरपोर्ट एंड देयर इज़ नो हैसल और एनीथिंग. लकीली बहुत क्विक हो गया और आई वॉज लाइक वे बिफोर टाइम. So I had to wait for a long time for my gate number and everything, but it was quite quick and there was nobody in front of me for anything. So मेरा like within 10 minutes security check सब हो गया था. Then I waited for around 1 hour for them to put the gate number on, and I'm finally heading towards the gate. So after a nice long walk, I finally reached the gate and I'm waiting for the flight. I'm waiting for them to start the boarding. It was a nice half an hour walk from the entrance to the gate. Very tiring, especially if you have a lot of baggage with you. Also, it was really hard leaving Kian, especially when he kept saying, you know, Masi, don't go, Masi, don't go. Oh my god. This was the really toughest goodbye that I had to say. So I think they've started boarding, so let's go. Finally in the flight. Luckily अभी तक मेरे बाजू में कोई आया नहीं है. I just hope it remains that way because while coming to London my flight was very uncomfortable and luckily I have a window seat, so and I hope nobody comes here so I can just like मैं लेट के चली जाऊँ बस. सो गाइज आई फाइनली रीच दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट एंड यहाँ पे लैंड करने के बाद उन्होंने हमसे एक फॉर्म भराया था. आई जस्ट पुट इट हियर समवेयर एंड आफ्टर दैट देव टेकन आवर पासपोर्ट्स एंड देव सेंट अस फॉर कोविड टेस्टिंग. यहाँ पे लाइक बहुत ही लेट कोविड टेस्टिंग हुआ बिकॉज लाइक फॉर द कोविड टेस्ट यू हैव टू एक्चुअली लाइक डू इट द टेस्ट लाइक इधर लाइक टॉन्सिल के पास एंड दे जस्ट डिड इट ऑन over here like on the tongue and I was like अगर भाई तुमको नहीं करना तो फिर क्यों करो like नाम के लिए. It was so stupid and then they told us to wait till the reports come. We just waiting. After waiting for almost 4 to 5 hours मेरा finally COVID का result आ गया है which is obviously negative. So now I'm going to go and do the immigration and then collect my baggage and then again put it for domestic travel to Bombay. I am already tired. But you know, like so many people missed their flights because the results didn't come on time, and now they had to reschedule the flight. Luckily मेरे flight से पहले report आ गई थी. So yay! Welcome to India. Immigration done, baggage collected. Now I'm going to the domestic transfer, which is inside only, so it's not much of a hassle. I just have to come out and then go again inside. So let's go. Indian खाना आफ्टर अ मंथ. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने यूके में इंडियन खाना नहीं खाया, बट द टेस्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. सो ये खाना मैं इतने टाइम से मिस कर रही थी, तो फाइनली फर्स्ट चीज़ जो मैंने दिल्ली आके की है वो खाना खाया. मतलब मैं खा रही हूँ, और मैं ऑब्वियसली बहुत लेट हो गई बिकॉज आई वॉज ओवर वेट. सो आई हैड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ इधर उधर करना था मुझे बहुत सामान, और उस चक्कर में मैं बहुत लेट हो गई हूँ. एंड 4:30 का मेरा फ्लाइट है, और मैं इट्स ऑलरेडी 4, सो आई हैव टू रन. फाइनली रीच्ड मुंबई. और यहाँ पे क्योंकि डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट था दिल्ली टू मुंबई, तो लोग ने सिर्फ कोविड टेस्ट चेक किया, ये जो दिल्ली में कराया था. और इन केस यू कैन सी इफ इट इज़ नेगेटिव दे राइट ओवर देयर होम क्वारंटाइन. लाइक ये दिल्ली पे स्टैम्प मार के देते हैं होम क्वारंटाइन और चेक. सो दे जस्ट चेक दैट ओवर हियर दैट यू हैव अ नेगेटिव कोविड टेस्ट, एंड दैट्स इट. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कलेक्ट माई बैगेज फ्रॉम हियर, एंड दैट्स इट. आई एम बैक इन इंडिया. मैं ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीने बाद अपने पति को मिलने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी 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 एक्साइटेड. It was a very tiring trip because I had to do everything alone and taking so much baggage. Trust me, it's not easy. Oh my god. But it was a nice experience that I had. And that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.